welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am sleepy because I just got fully vaccinated and I am tired, so please don't mind. As you know by the title, in today's video we are going to be making memo board or memory board. Memo board is basically the short form of memory board, and we are not going to make पूरा wooden वाला और पूरा तार वाला जो square वाला रहता है वो नहीं. We are going to be making memo board with thread, with sutar. सुतरला इंग्लिशमध्ये काय बोलतात मला नाही माहिती. With thread. And yeah, let's start. Like this video, share as much as you can, and subscribe and hit that bell icon so whenever I post a video you'll get notification. Let's start. So for this DIY we need 4 square dowels, दो 17 इंचेस के और दो 15 इंच के. आप कोई भी साइज ले सकते हो. Then we need sandpaper and a hammer and a jute rope, that means sutar. Then a lot of nails and a piler. That's it. Then we are gonna sand our dowels and smooth it down, smooth the borders, the base and the sides. Now we have a huge problem. When I say huge, trust me, huge problem. मेरी वीडियो डिलीट हो गई, इसके लिए ये वीडियो आने के लिए लेट हो गई क्योंकि मैं 2 दिन तो रो ही रही थी. But what you have to do is take a nail and nail the sides. That's it. So okay, here what you have to do is you have to take a nail bigger than your dowels and nail it down. It's pretty self-explanatory. You just have to nail the borders. That's it. And paint it. I painted it black. Okay. And I have a quick DIY for you that I didn't use. If you don't want to DIY this much, if you don't want to take the dowels and sand it and nail it, you just take a photo frame, a wooden photo frame, and do what I did next. Okay. Now that our frame is done, we have to hammer the nails with a gap of 2 to 3 inches. I'll show you later how to do that. I'm doing that, but I will show you the end result. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. It's done. Yeah, something like this. It's gonna look something like this, and also paint that nail if you want, or it's your choice. I'm gonna mention all the links in the description box, like all the things, the dowels, if you don't want dowels, the frame and the rope and the piler, all the things in the description box. Make sure to check it out. After that, we're gonna take our rope, sutar, jute rope, whatever you love to call that, and tie a knot on one nail, and then stretch it to the other nail, and then stretch it to the other nail, and then stretch it to the other nail, and so on. Just don't do the parallel line, it'll look awkward. Okay, just try to make your design and make it look awkward. No, not make it look awkward, just make it look perfect. Okay, you'll understand while you're doing it. Now my brother decided to show his talent. Wait for it. Wait for it. Yeah.
जा हलू नको तिकडे जर आपण.
Talent of disturbing me. Yes. Let's move on. After that, I decided it. I decided. I decided. After that, I decided to paint it something like this. Guess the word that I'm writing. You do see the word written with the pencil, don't you? Yeah, I know. Still, guess it. You have 5 seconds. Yeah, time's up. If you guess the word, yeah, you are the winner. Go subscribe to my channel. And if you didn't able to guess the word, still go subscribe to my channel. Yeah, it's just a promotion. Go subscribe to my channel. Then I don't know what happened to me. I just wanted to do whatever I want to do, whatever I want to paint, and this is what I did. I don't like it, so I repainted it black. And this is how it looks. I pinned some pictures with paper clips, and we are done.
1, 2, 3, funky.
Yes, we are done. Can you see this? Can you see this? Yes. Please make sure जब आप कर रहे हो कोई बड़ा आपको हेल्प करे, किसी बड़े के अलावा आप मत करना, नहीं तो कुछ ऐसी हालत हो जाएगी. It's not paining. I'm looking at it like this. It's not paining, but still किसी बड़े के अलावा मत करना, कोई बड़े की हेल्प ले लेना. And I hope you like it. Make sure to hit that like button, share as much as you can, and subscribe and hit that bell icon so whenever I post a video, you will get notification. Bye bye. See you next Wednesday.